Subscribe for some awesome videos.
Hi everybody, welcome back to Crafts with Rar. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing this Queen Daphne Minton Series 3 Rainbow Hide. Yay! But before we begin, I just want to give a quick little apology. Sorry we're not posting for 2 months. I kind of started school and lacked motivation too. But now I'm back to open up this Queen. I'm kind of thinking about changing my channel to more like music videos, film stuff, like episodes or series with dolls. Also, of course, I'll still post like crafts and stuff in between, but more based on that, because to me it's kind of more fun that way, and that way I can actually enjoy making crafts more. But we'll see. Things change so often nowadays, so yeah. Just a quick little heads up. Now on to Daphne. So here she is. She's from Series 3. Right when I saw the leak pictures, I was like, I need this girl. She has a new face mold. Really cool. It's not like the twins or the normal one. It's completely different. And it looks gorgeous. There's Series 3 accessory design focus. Yeah. So because it's Series 3, it has like a slightly different box than the other two that I have. But yeah. Bottom's a Series 3 characters. I know their names all. I watched the series. Daria, Georgia, Cheryl. So Cheryl was also in the store. I was debating between the two, but Cheryl had something on her face, so that's why I got Daphne instead. And then of course Daphne. Emmy is like my favorite character-wise. Emmy is my favorite in the series. She's visual arts focused. Like that's my thing. Gabriella, not a fave because I don't like her attitude, but she brings drama to the show, which I do love. Then all of them in the back. For each series, like I kind of skipped series 2 just because none of the dolls were like calling to me really. Like this one, like when I saw Ruby and Jade, I was like, oh my gosh, I need them because I love their style. These dolls I really love. Series 3 is my favorite out of all of them. Just because it's pastel and I really love pastel. Yeah. It says the same thing as every other Rainbow High box. Yeah. And all the dolls, girls, yeah. Rainbow High. On the side, something different. It has her focus. Daphne accessory design focus, which is really cool. And I actually do sew accessories beside like real life people accessories. Yeah. On the side, her second outfit, her shoes. Yeah. Anyways. Oh, I didn't check out this. Another little badge thingy with her name, collect the rainbow, and of course Rainbow High. And now we're gonna open her up. So, like, gorgeous. Love it. Okay, so let's start. I can see some differences between this, other than the face mold, obviously. I see some, like, not major, but minor differences between the Series 1 and 3 dolls. Which makes sense, because they're 2 series apart, but yeah. But anyways, let's just start by looking at her. Before we go into differences. Okay, she has actually, compared to the Series 1 dolls and 2 and all the other dolls, she has a matte finish. Her face. Guys, I actually did like the pearly finish. It made their dolls look more premium, deluxe sort of thing. Shiny, I liked it. I think it would have looked nice on Daphne. I think only Gabriella in this series has it. I think it would have looked nice though. But she still looks gorgeous. Her eye makeup's beautiful. She has like brown and like flecks of gold, and of course turquoise eyeshadow. Turquoise, teal eyes. Her eyebrows are brown. The only thing, yeah, I don't really like her eyebrow shade. They're just like lines. They're not really much, but it's not like too bad. She has freckles. compared to Poppy, they're actually more visible. Oh, and her lip colors, like, her lips are actually shiny. And they're like a red, maroonish sort of color. Has a few shades actually, if you look closely. Pink blush. And she comes with earrings, which is super cool. Poppy, she has ear piercings for some reason, but she doesn't have earrings. Well, mine does. I don't know about other people's Poppies, but mine has ear piercings. So that's super cool. Look. I think they say rainbow. Oh my gosh, I never noticed that. They say rainbow on them. That is super cool. Yeah. Moving on to her hair. Her hair's teal. Turquoise teal. Yeah. Actually, now that I look at it with the camera, I feel like these flecks of like blue in it. There is blue, I think. Like, it's hardly noticeable, but on camera it's pretty noticeable. Maybe it's just because I'm in a room with different shades of blue and it might be the lighting, but I can actually kind of see different shades of blue in her hair. But yeah, her hair is like wavy. I kind of wish her hair was crimped like how a lot of other people's was, but it's kind of wavy. Her hair actually does not have that much product, but either way, I'm gonna wash it and restyle it. Because restyling is like the best part about Rainbow Hideouts, because they have premium hair, so like restyling is so fun. So I'm gonna make her waves more defined, and it might be a lengthy process, but I'll make a YouTube short about it probably, or Instagram maybe, but something, yeah. And she has pretty long hair too. Oh, now her clothes. First outfit, she has a jacket which is cute. Okay, so it has like gold chains, I think, printed on it, and then RH. Oh, there's also RH on her arm. Oh my gosh. Okay. Then it has like the borders in white. I'm sorry if my camera's blurring. Inside, she's wearing. Oh, it's pinned. Okay, but you can remove it. Because Rainbow High, I love how all the pieces are removable. It's so convenient. She's wearing like a tank top on the inside, and the border has like RH printed on it. And yeah. Her skirt. Oh, and then the zipper little thingy. Pulling thingy, I don't know what it's called. Zip tie, I think it's called. It says RH. Is this metal? I think this is metal. That is so cool. It's metal. I just adore Rainbow High's details. I think this is printed. Yeah. Then she has like this little weaved skirt. I'm not sure what material this is. To me, it feels like what's called muslin. No, it starts with a B. Burlap. But I don't think that's what it is. But it's a really cute skirt, turquoise, of course. Then it has like this little tie thing off to the side. Yeah. Now onto her shoes. They're heels, I think. I don't know much about heels, to be honest. I always wear running shoes, especially during COVID, of course. They have a buckle. That's how they look on the front. I think they have RH. Of course they have RH on it. This is a new information. Yeah. Wait, one more thing I forgot to show you. This part I found like so cool. She has painted nails. I swear her nails are. Do you see that? The details in dolls nowadays are like insane. Look at this. So cute. Yeah. Anyways, let's take a look at her in her second outfit. Okay, so here's her second outfit. Her earrings fell off while I was putting it on. So it has This is like not velvet, but it's like really soft type. I think, what's it called? I don't know, but it's like really soft material type jacket. Shit, oh my gosh. I have really good camera works, okay. This part is embroidered on. Like, can you believe? Yeah, so it's just a jacket. Are these real pockets? These are real pockets. Rainbow High, your quality, it needs a reward. But your designer is a whole different story. Please address the issue, please. I know it's old news, but like, just address it and get it over with, please. Please, yeah. Okay, now the t-shirt, it's a crop top, so short sleeves, and it has this, what's it called, embedded onto it. I forgot the word for it. It's like a chain pretty much that's rainbow, and it has like black. That's what basically it's trying to like, yeah. Then she has some pants. They look so loose and on camera, but I don't think they are that loose. No. No, they're not. I'm sorry, I'm really bad with the camera because I'm holding it. Yeah. So her pants are like rubies, kind of. They have like a bunch of like patchwork type designs. Of course, it says Rainbow High on them. That isn't new information. Pockets, which I really love. Real belt loops, people. This metal thing's actually metal. Real, this thing. Which Rainbow High, the detail game is like so good. And her shoes. Oh, they're really cool. Kind of hard to put on. Not hard, but they're actually really easy to put on. They kind of fall off though, easily, compared to the other shoes. I don't even know if I put them on right. Yep, but here's how they look. They're actually like pretty simple and modern. But between these, I don't know, their shoes are kind of simple. Her shoes are kind of simple compared to everyone else's. But out of the two shoes, I like this one better. Because it's just a bit more, you know. Yeah. Anyways, now let's take a look at the differences between like the two. I don't know why Ruby looks taller. It might just be because of her hairstyle, but I don't think that's a huge thing. But okay. So, here they are. The difference, first off, I think I mentioned this, but pearly finish, not pearl, matte finish on the face. Next is neck articulation. For, I think, up until series 3, I think only the Devious twins and Jet Dawson and for some reason Poppy, out of all the people, have neck articulation. But this doll actually does have it, but her neck's really stiff. It's like I can't even move it side to side at the moment, so with some time, it will warm up. Yeah, Ruby can just move side to side. I can't really show you exactly, just because I have one. I kind of need two hands to do it. But yeah, sorry about that. Otherwise, articulation is pretty much the same. Elbow joints, knee joints, hand joints, and what's called wrist joints. All pretty much the same. I believe there's also a joint like here too. Yeah, no ankle joints. Oh no, I feel like that seam thingy is showing. You know that seam thingy that shows for Barbie dolls? It's kind of showing on Daphne. It's kind of annoying because for a doll that you kind of pay a lot for, it's kind of annoying. Yeah, now with the actual other stuff. They upgraded the stand, so they're more, I don't even know how to describe it. Slimmer, more firm. These ones, they don't hold it as well as the new ones do. Other than that, they're pretty much the same. I'm holding them on a book because I'm on a bed right now, so it keeps like making them fall. So, oh yeah. Another thing is, if find it. The hangers. There's they come with 2 hangers. I think they changed the font for this one. That font, I think they changed it. Not exactly sure because I don't have the old ones with me right now. But there's a significant change in this hanger. So they got rid of like the little indent thingy that was here and here, and they replaced it with the rainbow, which I kind of like the indent thingy better, just because like it's easier to hang other stuff on it. It too. Plus, I used to like hang like the tube tops with like just the rod here, but now it's gonna be kind of harder to hang the tube top if that rainbow is in the way. So I'm not only me, but a bunch of other doll collectors also do not like that. That the rainbow, yeah. And she also has a cone, but it's pretty much the same aim as like the normal cones. Actually, I don't know, this might just be a factory defect. It kind of feels like there's a little, it's a bit, like there's actually like a stick sort of thing here. Actually, I think that's just me. The stick, it does look slightly different, maybe because it's new. I don't know, to me, no, it's the same. Okay, yeah. Anyways, that's the end of this video. I hope you found it like helpful, informational, of course fun out of all things. Yeah, so that was Queen Daphne. I just love saying her name for absolutely no reason. Daphne. Like, I just love saying that for some reason. Like, it's so fun to say Daphne, Daphne. I just love saying it. Yeah, but anyways, that brings us to the end of this video. Of course, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And yeah, anyways, bye!